Let's talk about South Kansas City now. Several homes and businesses have been evacuated near Indian Creek. KMBC9's Michael Mahoney is live near there. Michael?
Yeah, Matt, the flooding problems continue here in South Kansas City. Just a few moments ago, City of Kansas City, Missouri issued advisory saying that there would be road closures due to flooding on Military Club Road at White Creek, Cleaver 2 Boulevard between Benton Boulevard and Prospect. That's probably an issue with Brush Creek, and the Lower Blue Parkway at Brighton Avenue, also in Kansas City, Missouri. The problem with this, obviously, is heavy rain, somewhere in north of 2 to 3 inches of rain in Johnson County last night, flooding Indian Creek, as you can see behind me here, and as you've seen from the air, all of this water rushing through Indian Creek into Kansas City, Missouri along 103rd Street. Car dealerships along 103rd and some other businesses there had to be notified that they were in jeopardy. Some new cars off the lots were moved away. There was a water rescue over in Overland Park, Kansas, and some people were ordered to leave their apartment complex. We can show you some of that right now. That took place at the Three Fountains apartment complex on 101st Terrace and near Warnell Road, where about 20 to 25 units and people in them were advised as a precaution that they need to leave, because those were the units closest to the flash flood here along Indian Creek. It was a calm situation. In fact, many people were not at home, but those that were ordered by the fire department to move out, at least temporarily. Do not believe that the water got into any apartments there, because it still had a good 10 feet to go. But as a precaution, some folks at Three Fountains apartment complex were asked to leave as a precaution. The water, as Johnny indicated, is receding. A little while ago, this walking trail at Indian Creek here at Holmes, you could barely see much of that sign. Now, obviously, a lot more of it is back visible as the water continues to recede here, but flash flood warnings continue until 2 o'clock this afternoon, especially for areas south and east of Kansas City, Missouri. That's the latest here. It's been an interesting morning, to say the least.